Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about a creeping brake pedal on the Transit. We won't be talking about the Escort today. We've had a massive disaster with that, which I will show you in my next Escort video. Yes, I did have a few tears in my eyes, but it's all sorted now. I'll explain in my next little video. Here's the Escort parked to the side of the road. Sad times for it, but hey ho, at least it's repaired. Right, so here we have a Mk7 Transit. If you've got this problem of putting your foot on the brake pedal and it starts creeping to the floor, then this is what your problem's going to be. You most probably just change your brake pads and it's happened after that. So if you can pump your brake pedal up with the engine off and it goes solid, let me just show you here what I mean. You just pump it with the engine off 4 or 5 times and it goes quite hard, and when you put the ignition on and start the engine and you leave your foot on the pedal and it gradually creeps to the floor after you've changed your brake pads, I want to tell you what you've done and what you need to do. Right, what you should have done when you changed your brake pads is put your plastic pipe on the end of your nipple up here. You just point to it here, undone it, and when you push your piston back so the fluid comes out of here, that's what you should have done. But obviously if you've got this problem, you've just pushed the pistons back, the fluid has gone back up the tube, back into your master cylinder. Hang on, let me just show you. It's gone up through your pipes, up around here, and you've pushed it back into the master cylinder here. Now inside here, there's some rubbers, and you've obviously blown the rubbers out, rubber seals out of position, which is a complete disaster because your pedal will creep like it does, and you can try and bleed it and bleed it and bleed it, and it just won't work. You think you've got air in the system all the time. So this is a Bosch one, which cost £120 from the car parts. So it's not a cheap one. If you get a cheap one off eBay, it's most probably going to be the same thing. You go on for 60 quid, the rubbish, Chinese crap. We've got to undo the 2 bolts here to change it, undo the 2 pipes, and just swap them over. Get a new one, make sure it's Bosch, but you're going to have the same problem, believe you me. Okay, well thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped some of you out. If you liked it and it has helped you out, please give us a little thumbs up so I know it's worth me doing these little videos. Okay, thanks for watching.